How to do the OLL case 13 step by step. Let's do this. You have to see this case is formed by this L here, you can see. 2 yellow squares here, 1 on the right side, 2 up here, and none on the left side. Now I will show how to solve it. I have to move this front layer down. Now you go to the left side with this upper layer. Now you go up, return, do a double move. Now you go up with this front layer. Now you go up, you do this move, go up again, return, and go down. Now I'll show it a little bit faster. Let's do this. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe my channel to help me to do more contents like this, and comment below if you liked and if you want more contents on the channel. I will wait you for the next contents. Take care.